We are picking up directly from the previous video. So, I would have shown you how to edit the background of this candle image here. Now, what if I want to change the text of the candle? Well, I can do it the same way by just clicking the candle text and just editing the title right here on the side, as you would see title, and just placing wax if I wanted to make it a wax. So as you are seeing, it's a powerful system and it's made very easily for you. We have installed this software so that our clients would not be stuck or would not have to learn computer science to edit their own website. And again, the same principles apply for anything. If I want to change the background of this image here, I just come at the top and I select the three dots and I come into style, and of course I could now change the background and place it as anything I want. If I want to change the text, a simple click to the text would open it out, and I can simply delete or type whatever I so please. And that is how you edit a page and really make this website yours. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard now without saving any of the changes. We are back to the dashboard, and so far I have covered how to view what images are on the website by clicking the media. I have covered how to make an article, and I have also covered how to edit a page. What if someone leaves a bad comment on your website and you want to remove it? Well, you can simply come into the conveniently named comments section, click the comment section, and remove a comment by simply placing it to the trash. And the comment would be removed. Now, what we have gone through is more aesthetic changes. We haven't gone through anything yet that would make you add products or change billing information. And we will be getting into that in the future videos. So I am going to end this video right here, or simply continue with more recapping. And we will continue to the more serious aspects like adding a product in the other videos. Thank you. So if you have decided to stay onto the video, we'll move on to the next one. Let's just recap. In the comment section, you can edit comments by simply removing them to the trash. In the pages section, you can edit a page by simply clicking edit with Elementor, and it will pull up a beautiful interface where you can simply drag and drop images. The media is where you can view all your images and all of your resources, and even add new ones by clicking the Add New button. Posts is something that only some website builders would use. It's not for everyone. Only if you have a blog and is writing articles would this ever be relevant. But in the second video, I think, we would have gone through how to add an article. So now next we will be going into adding a product, which is something I think most persons watching these videos really wanted to get into. And all you do is simply click the product bar, and we will be getting into it into the next video.